Hi there, it's Kurt with Kurt Tanner Motor Cars. This is our 1975 Triumph TR6 convertible. Very, very nice, well-preserved car. 75-year model showing 75,000 original miles. It's finished in French blue, black interior. French blue is code 126, black interior is 11. And so this is wearing its original factory color scheme. It is a factory overdrive car, and it's also wearing this handsome factory hardtop. So super well equipped TR6 here with all the desirable options. Very well preserved 75,000 mile car. It's had one repaint in its life, and it's kind of due for another. You can see up close here the paintwork is just kind of chalking up a little bit. So it had this modest repaint. The sides of the car don't look too bad, but it had this single modest repaint on a excellent original car. Probably 10, 15, 20 years ago. It's now showing its age. We bought this car, as you can see there with the license plate. We bought it up in the Pacific Northwest, which is an absolutely lovely place to buy cars. They don't salt the roads. The interior stays nice and cool, so we get cars with very well preserved bodies and very well preserved interiors. So great chrome on the car. This is all the original, just amazing, beautiful original chrome work. Original brushed aluminum beauty rims. The wheels, you can see, just need a little bit of spraying and touching up to make those look dynamite. But this is a super well preserved, super honest 75,000 mile original TR6. Just just wearing an older repaint, but factory overdrive, hardtop, French blue, just a wicked combination on a super genuine, lovely 75 TR6 here. Very easy car just to repaint down the road. We just had this sapphire blue car repainted for $3,500, so very affordable to do a TR6 if you take the chrome off and there's no body work to do. So let's look at this car's interior. Really well preserved upholstery. I think these are excellent carpets. Very well preserved dashboard. You can see the veneer on the wood dash just starting to pick up a little bit and show its age, but excellent crash pads. Nothing there has to come apart. Seats are great. You can see a little split there in the driver's side seat, but this is all the original material, so just amazing condition. You can see all the back upholstery there. The headliner is just really good condition on the factory hardtop. It is sagging a little bit down on the back there, but great pair of door panels. I'm just looking at stuff like this door glass. It's just like mint condition. Very well preserved, honest. Probably a 2-owner car. Little light scratch there you can see on the door glass, but all the hardtop rubbers are in lovely condition. The door seals are great. Tires look good. I'm going to be taking this car out for a drive in the next few days, so we'll have a running report there as far as mechanical condition. But it pops beautifully. Door clickers are working. This is just a really nice gem of a well-preserved TR6. Some pretty lovely things. Under here you can see like, you know, original looking French blue all over. Really nice clean engine compartment. Original looking plug wires. There's a sticker there. So this is a gem of a car. A little bit of corrosion down there, which is typical from brake leak, and you know, very normal stuff. I can see there's a new fuel pump fitted, new coil, but yeah, just a beautiful original engine compartment on this one, which is just in keeping with the rest of the car. Easy. Super simple engine bay to detail. If we had more time, we'd definitely be painting this one and detailing it out and tidying it up a bit. But yeah, great fitting hood. Let's take a look at the car's trunk. We do have a soft top and frame for this car. They're excellent. Just like everything you see here. You've got the original top boot. You've got the jack handle. Everything here looks excellent. Slight bit of bubbling here along the back. You can see this is just kind of an area that water sits in, especially if it's you know, been living up in the forest somewhere. But yeah, this is an easy fix just to tidy up a little bit of that rust on the tail. But yeah, top boot. There's some nice NOS parts there from the Roadster factory. So, like I said, we do have the soft top and frame for this. It comes with that black top boot. Let me show you the VIN plate. I think the build date's January of '75. Yeah, January '75. You can see the O here, denoting overdrive, paint code 126, trim 11, which I believe is French blue black, exactly as you see it here. So really great TR6, fully loaded up on options here. Overdrive, hardtop, finished in its original color scheme of French blue, black interior, disc wheels, showing 75,000 original miles. We just purchased this from the Pacific Northwest. It's a superb, well-preserved original, wearing an older single repaint, but that's about it. This is about as good as it gets in this market for a really nice, well-preserved original car. And this car's for sale right now on our website, www.kurttannermotorcars.com. Take a look at the undercarriage photos. I'm going to be test driving this car shortly, and we'll give a running report. Once again, 1975 Triumph TR6 convertible, French blue black, 4-speed overdrive, factory hardtop, disc wheels, 75,000 original miles. Great car to just purchase now and play with as we go forward.